Good morning. Welcome to the airport. May I please see your passport today?
Good morning. Here is my passport and my printed flight booking confirmation.
Thank you very much. Are you checking any large bags for this flight?
Yes, I have one large suitcase that I need to check in now.
Please place your heavy suitcase on the scale so I can weigh it.
I hope that it is not over the weight limit today.
Your bag is 20 kilograms, which is exactly within the allowed weight limit.
That is a relief. I was worried that I packed too many clothes.
Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat for your journey?
I would like a window seat so I can see the beautiful clouds.
Let me check the seating map to see if one is still available.
Thank you. I hope there is a seat far away from the engines.
I found a great window seat for you in row 15, Sarah.
That sounds perfect. Is the flight expected to depart on time today?
Yes, the flight is on schedule and will depart at 10 o'clock.
Great. Do I need to pay any extra fees for my checked bag?
No, your ticket includes one free checked bag for this international trip.
That is excellent news. Here is your boarding pass and your blue passport.
Please make sure to keep your boarding pass in a very safe place.
I will put it inside my small carry-on bag right away, Mark.
Please move toward the security area and have your boarding pass ready.
There is a very long line at the security checkpoint this morning.
Do not worry, the line moves very quickly through the metal detectors.
Should I take my laptop out of my bag for the X-ray?
Yes, please place all electronic devices in a separate plastic bin now.
Do I also need to remove my shoes and my heavy winter jacket?
Please remove your shoes and put them in the bin with your jacket.
I hope the machine does not make a loud noise.
You are all clear. Please collect your personal items from the moving belt.
Thank you. Where is the nearest duty-free shop in this large terminal?
The shops are located just past the security area on your left side.
I want to buy some chocolate and a bottle of water before boarding.
Make sure you finish your shopping before the boarding gate closes today.
What time does the boarding process start for my flight to London?
Boarding will begin 30 minutes before the scheduled time of your departure.
I have plenty of time to look around the many different shops.
Just keep an eye on the flight information screens for any updates.
I will check the screens every 10 minutes to be safe, Mark.
Have a pleasant time shopping and enjoy your walk through the terminal.
Thank you for your help. I will see you at the gate later.
We are now boarding all passengers in group number 3.
That is my group. I need to find my passport and pass.
Please have them ready so the line can move fast for everyone.
Here they are. I am excited to go inside.
Thank you, Sarah. Follow the tunnel to the airplane door.
Which way do I turn when I get inside the large plane?
Please turn to your right and look for seat number 15A.
Hello, Where can I put my small carry-on bag?
You can place it in the overhead bin above.
This bag is a little bit heavy for me to lift alone.
Let me help you put that bag safely into the overhead bin.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your help with my heavy luggage.
You are very welcome. Please take your seat and fasten your belt.
Is it okay to use my phone while we are taking off?
You must switch your phone to airplane mode during the entire flight.
I will do that right now before the plane starts to move.
Thank you for your cooperation. We want everyone to have a safe flight.
How long will it take to reach our destination in London, England?
The total flight time today will be exactly 8 hours and 40 minutes.
I hope I can sleep for a few hours during the night.
We provide blankets and small pillows for all of our passengers' comfort.
That is very nice. I will use them to feel more comfortable.
Please watch the safety video on the screen in front of you.
I will pay close attention to all the important safety rules today.
The captain is now preparing the aircraft for a very smooth takeoff.
I can feel the plane starting to move away from the gate.
We are now taxiing toward the runway for our final departure, Sarah.
The view from this window seat is already very beautiful and clear.
It will be even better once we are high up in the sky.
I am starting to feel much more relaxed about this flight now.
I am very happy to hear that you are feeling more comfortable.
When will the flight attendants start serving the first round of drinks?
We will begin the drink service shortly after we reach cruising altitude.
I would like an orange juice and some salty pretzels, please.
I will make sure to bring those to you as soon as possible.
Thank you for being such a kind and helpful host today, Mark.
It is my pleasure to assist you during your journey to London.
Here we go. We are finally taking off.
Sit back and enjoy the flight. I will see you again soon.
Goodbye, Mark. I am ready for my big adventure in London now.